In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new MemberStack Webflow app. We'll connect MemberStack to your Webflow site using the new app flow so your membership logic loads correctly across your pages. Start by opening your MemberStack dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct app for the site you want to connect. Staying in the right workspace and app ensures the code you copy will match your project. On the dashboard, click the Welcome to MemberStack card. This onboarding area includes the install snippet you need for Webflow. You'll see a code block that MemberStack provides. Click Copy to place that entire snippet on your clipboard. Don't change anything. MemberStack generates the exact code your site needs. Keep that code copied. We're going to paste it into Webflow in just a moment. Now switch over to Webflow and open the project you want to integrate. If you have multiple sites, double check you've opened the correct one before making changes. From here, head into Site Settings. This is where global configuration lives and where custom scripts can be added so they load on every page. Inside Site Settings, open the Custom Code section. Webflow splits custom code into areas like head code and before body tag. MemberStack's onboarding tells you exactly where the snippet belongs. In the highlighted fields shown in your setup guide, paste the code you copied from MemberStack. Paste it exactly as provided. No edits needed. Placing the snippet in the correct field is important, so MemberStack initializes at the right time as your pages load. After pasting, click Save. Saving confirms your changes at the project level, but they won't appear on the live site until you republish. That's by design in Webflow to keep control over when updates go live. Next, click Publish Your Site. You'll see the domains available to publish to. Publishing ensures your new MemberStack script is bundled and served on the live pages. Finally, click Publish to confirm. Give it a moment to process. Larger sites can take a bit longer. Once publishing completes, your MemberStack installation is live on your Webflow site. If changes don't appear immediately, wait a minute and refresh your browser, or hard refresh to clear any cached files. From here, your membership features can load as intended across your project, and you can continue building protected content, sign-up flows, and profile experiences with confidence, knowing the core integration is in place. That's it. Your Webflow project is now connected to MemberStack using the new app experience. Thanks for watching and happy building.